Hi, today we're going to learn about the cerebellum. The cerebellum is a really amazing part of your brain. It actually sits right back here. It's a pretty small brain. It's called the hindbrain. It's small, but it's got more neurons in there than everywhere else in your body. So all your body's neurons combined, which are your nerve cells combined, is equal to or less than what a cerebellum does. In fact, there's so many connections in the cerebellum. They say that there's so many neurological connections going on in the cerebellum that there's more connections than there are grains of sand on Earth. So it's very integrated, very amazing. And one of the main things that a cerebellum does is it helps you stay in a state of health and healing. And to do that, what it does is it takes energy to do that. And most of the energy comes motion and proprioceptive input from the spine. So that's why these proprioceptive exercises are so important. They actually charge up your cerebellum and shift you back into health and healing. That's also why the chiropractic adjustments are so important, is because it gets things moving again, charging up the cerebellum so that it shifts you back into health and healing. One of my favorite things to hear after an adjustment is someone go, ah. Now, what just happened there was someone moved from that stress state back into a health and healing state and back into that health and healing place, which is where we want to maintain you so that you have the best life possible.